It's easy to see how excess weight changes a person's outward appearance. But have you ever wondered what's happening on the inside? Let's take a closer look at the hidden internal impact of obesity and the hopeful path toward reclaiming your health. Beneath the surface, a silent battle is being waged within the cardiovascular system. Imagine your heart, a tireless muscle, being forced to work overtime every single second. Excess body fat isn't just stored idly. It actively releases substances that can stiffen and narrow your blood vessels. This forces your heart to pump harder to circulate blood, leading to a dangerous rise in blood pressure. Over time, this constant strain weakens the heart muscle, significantly increasing the risk of life-threatening conditions like heart attacks and strokes. The very network that delivers life to every cell in your body becomes a high-pressure system on the verge of a crisis, all because of the burden of carrying extra weight. Now let's consider the simple, vital act of breathing. For someone with obesity, this automatic process can become a struggle. As fat accumulates around the neck and chest, it puts physical pressure on the airways. This is particularly noticeable during sleep when the muscles naturally relax. The airway can narrow or even collapse completely, causing repeated pauses in breathing, a condition known as sleep apnea. Each pause starves the body of oxygen, triggering a panic response that jolts you awake even if you don't remember it. This fragmented, poor-quality sleep leads to daytime exhaustion, but more dangerously, it places immense stress on the heart and brain, further compounding the cardiovascular risks. The digestive system also bears a heavy load. Your liver, a crucial organ for detoxification and metabolism, can become a primary site for fat storage. When more fat enters the liver than it can process, it begins to accumulate within the liver cells, leading to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. In its early stages, this condition is often silent, but it can progress to severe inflammation, scarring, and even liver failure. Simultaneously, excess abdominal fat increases pressure on the stomach. This can push stomach acid back up into the esophagus, causing the painful burning sensation of acid reflux or GERD. What might seem like simple indigestion is actually a sign of a system under pressure, struggling to perform its basic functions. While this internal picture may seem bleak, it is not a final verdict. The human body has a remarkable capacity for healing and recovery. The journey begins not with a drastic, unsustainable overhaul, but with small, consistent choices. Imagine the same person, now lacing up their shoes for a walk, choosing a vibrant salad over a processed meal, and feeling the deep, restorative peace of a full night's sleep. Each healthy decision is a step away from the strain and a step toward vitality. The pressure on the heart begins to ease, breathing becomes deeper and more regular, and the liver starts to shed its fatty burden. This transformation isn't just about a number on a scale, it's about restoring the harmony within, giving your body the care it deserves. The path to a healthier life is always available, and it begins with the very next choice you make.